So we're going to start with the forearms, and we're going to start with the balls toted. And I'm going to build myself a little table. So this is where you could use a coffee table easily or stand. The balls are going to go on the blocks, whatever surface you're using, horizontally, and they're toted. Remember that. It's going to make your life easier. You can sit on the shins. You could sit with the legs stretched out, sit with the shins crossed, any comfortable position. You're going to bring your right forearm down the middle of the balls. And I like to first imagine I'm slicing bread. I don't know why. Maybe because I love bread. So you're going to push and pull that arm. And you are putting some downward pressure. So I like to be able to lean my weight onto the balls. You want to be in a stable enough position that you can do so without compromising the back or the hips or the neck, pretty much anything. So I'm putting some weight down and I'm pushing and pulling. And then I'm also going to start rotating my arm. So turning the palm, the forearm up, that's supination, like you're holding a bowl of soup. So you get the top of the forearm. Or you could turn the palm and the forearm down in pronation. And it could be a quick kind of turn as you're pushing and pulling. And as you're doing this, you might feel, holy Moses, this is incredibly tender. And if that's you, then take a little pressure off. You might choose to stand, might be a little easier. If you're thinking, I don't know what she's talking about, I'm not feeling much, then you can use the left arm on top of the right. So now I'm putting pressure, extra pressure down, pushing down as I drag that right arm. You can continue to turn the arm, or now you might be noticing, there's the spot, I got one. I'm gonna bet for most of us, it's gonna be a little more tender towards the elbow. That's where the muscles and tendons live that control those typing fingers. Breathing as I'm holding my breath. Good. Okay, if you want to go longer, hit pause, keep going, come back when you're ready. You're going to back off, take a moment, maybe shake that arm out or just let it drop by your side. You feel the difference between sides. And what I really love about the work we're going to do, the work we're doing, is it's not just directly affecting the hands and the wrists and the forearms, but it's going to refer to the neck and the shoulders. So you might also feel that right shoulder, that right side of the neck is just a little more slack, a little more relaxed. And if you don't notice that, completely normal. You're still a human. Nothing's wrong with you. We're going to go to the left forearm. Same thing. If you're not sure what kind of response you're going to get, then start with just the left arm, just the pressure of that arm. See how that goes for a few passes. Becoming a student of your own body, learn something new. How surprising that it's more tender down towards my wrist than my elbow. Okay, if you want to add extra weight, just something different, you can press down with that right arm on top, pushing and pulling, continuing to turn the arm through pronation and supination. Whew. Anyone else biting their tongue off or clenching their jaw? Just realized for a moment that I wasn't actually breathing. Okay, again, if you want longer, take it. Once you feel like you've had a roughly even amount of time, just backing off. You might give that arm a shake or just let the arm hang by your side. Maybe closing the eyes, really dropping your attention inward, down into that arm, and then maybe back up into the shoulder and the neck. Whew.